So here let me explain more about the types of merge. We have seen if you want to do a merge in Power BI, that's what you do in this specification box. You choose the tables you want to merge. So here we have table 2 and table 3, and you specify which column is going to be used to match those two tables. So I'm going to use the country names here, okay? So Australia in table 2 is going to be matched with Australia in table 3. That's how those two tables are joined together, okay? And here, under this drop-down list, you have kind of different types of merge you can do, all right? So let's take a look at these different types of merge. I'm going to use this graph to kind of explain the different types, okay? So this is the first type, okay, called the left alter merge, all right? So basically here we have two tables. Let's assume we have table A and B, all right? A contains Asian countries and European countries, all right? Asian and European countries. B contains European countries and North American countries, all right? So so A and B will overlap. There's an overlap between A and B. That's basically the European countries. All right. So this is the overlapped part of what we call intersection between A and B. Okay. When they overlap, that's basically the European countries. The European countries are contained in both A and B. That's the overlapping part, or the intersection between A and B. This part of the A, which is not part of the table B, are the Asian countries. All right, and this part of the B, which is not contained in table A, are the North American countries. So basically, we have three different kind of parts or different regions of the globe. Okay, we have for this part, that's the Asian countries. For this part, which kind of A and B overlaps, okay, that's the European countries. And this part is the North American countries. All right. So well, I need to first tell you what's the kind of the contents of table A and table B. All right. Now let's explain what do you mean by left alter merge. So in a left alter merge, so now table A is on the left, table B is on the right. Okay. So in a left alter merge, all the countries in the left table, so here all the countries in table A is going to be included in the merged or the combined table. Okay. For table B, however, only those countries that also exist in table A will be included. So basically, only this overlapping part from table B will be included in the combined table. Okay. This part of table B, which is not, so those countries that are not in table A, okay, those countries that are in table B but are not contained in table A, so basically this white part, those are the North American countries basically. Those countries are not going to be included in the combined table, all right? So this entire red part is going to be included in the combined table. Okay, that's what we call a left alter merge, okay? So if you take a look at, here is a short explanation. For left alter merge, all from first matching from second. So what does this all from first matching from second mean? Basically, all the countries contained in table A plus the matching countries from table B. The matching countries are basically those countries that are contained in both A and B. Okay, so this is the overlapping part between A and B. Okay, those countries that are in table B but not contained in table A is not going to be in this merged table. Okay, for a left alter join. So the next thing I want to explain is called a right alter join. Okay, which is illustrated in this graph. So now we're doing a right alter join. So B is on the right, A is on the left. Okay, in a right outer join, that's kind of the opposite to the left outer join here. Okay, in a right outer join, all the countries in table B, which is on the right, by the way, okay, all the countries in the right table is gonna be included in the combined table. Okay, for the left table, only those countries that are contained in both A and B, so this part, this overlapping part, is gonna be in the combined table. Those countries that are in A but not in B, which is basically this white part. Okay, by the way, that's going to be the Asian countries. Okay, those Asian countries which are in table A but not in table B is not going to be included in the combined table. All right, so again, take a look at this short explanation. For right outer join, we have all rows from the second table, the right table, and the matching rows from the first or the left table. Okay, so that's basically all the rows from table B, but only the matching rows from table A is going to be included in the combined table in a right outer join. So the third type is called a, okay, let's go here. The third type is called full outer join. All right, full outer join is basically this graph. In a full outer join, all the countries in table A and all the countries in table B are going to be included. Okay, so we'll have, so the overlap part, of course, is going to be included. So those are the European countries, and those countries that are in those countries that are in table A, but are not in table B. Basically, this part is the Asian countries. Okay, are going to be included. All right. For this part, which is the countries in table B but not appear in table A, so those are the North American countries, they are also going to be included. So this entire red area are going to be included in the combined table. All right, so take a look at the short description. All rows from both tables are going to be included in a full outer join. Okay, so that's basically this graph. Right. The last thing I want to mention is this inner join, okay, which means only the matching rows are going to be included in the merged table. Okay, that inner join is described by this picture. Okay, only the overlapping countries, only those countries existing in both tables are going to be included in the merged table when we do an inner join or inner merge. Okay, so this overlapping part is basically those European countries. All right, for the Asian countries which exist only in table A but not in table B, also for those North American countries which only exist in table B but not in table A, those countries are not going to be included. All right, again, only the intersection, only the overlapping part, which is the European countries, are going to be included in an inner merge. Okay, so there's other two types which are kind of less often used. So most of the time we're going to face those four types of merge, which I just explained.